na okwu eseti go unu mana na November December erube so ọrụ ka ada agazikwa aga ka anyị mara ka anyị ba mekanik mana ya alụta ego bịa nwude mgbe unu na-egwepụgharị na ịma na edo na nso na ife adịrị m ka ebe ndị anọ ka ebe ha nọ na-esu utu ha ngị ya nke a adị m emezi ife pasọ na ka anyị banye ọrụ Toshman Stanley bịanụ ka awọkwa ife ekpele itoho ogologo bịara bọyị na-eyi suutu ka ya ha ngị nwu bịanụ ee ka anyị na-agwakwu na ife na-agwụ unu mana ọnwa ife anyị lụta n'ọrụ a ka anyị ji eri nri unu ma onwe onye bịanụ ka anyị nwa ka anyị esi mmanụ obe anata ya ego nwekwa ife anyị ma anyị na-arụ n'ọha anyị kpa ọwa ọkụ ya narị ego so nwoke a nwe moto abịa akpọri ezigbo ego na ego ịghọta ife awụ so ọkwa gị nwere uzuru ife a last time luzuo jikwe nwayọ ọkụ adọwuo ndị bụ na-enwe ego ha ya ejikwa lose what you can tight.
I am tightening what I can lose.
That's good. Who dey put on when we na for Ghana that side there.
How many years not gone on?
Okay ma.
So put to them the battery.
Olo naga.
I do where I work my motor for mechanic. I just want to check them. I give them money for pass. It's all right. I'm coming. I'll do that. Madam, one Nazwa, Kaji, Nazwa. Yes. How are you guys?
Fine.
What is this?
Okay. Oh, the entire I lose. This one we lose it out. This one we have to change this one. This one.
From my motor.
All bad, damaged to the car. Like maybe cigar, everything they had to go condemn.
Okay. How much is that?
Oga. Container your Landigo.
No, that be this. How you doing now?
Nah, this your motor self. If not because of one thing, I will tell you to sell this car and buy another one. But because we have capable engineers here, so let's know how we will do this thing and repair this thing. This one is 150,000. This one 150. 50,000. In fact, roughly everything is 350,000.
You know this oil.
Calculate everything 350,000.
It's all right, no problem. Please, I don't want you guys to waste my time because I have a meeting.
Yeah, yes sir.
Which bank are you using?
Just Fidelity.
Fidelity. Okay. Can you call the account number?
Yeah, 00.
Okay.
111.
Okay.
289.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's all right. 350,000, right?
Yes.
So you will not waste my time. I'm going to give you guys extra 40,000, 20,000.
Hey!
Yeah, 10,000. 10,000. That is 40,000. I'm going to transfer 390,000. Okay? 390,000. So confirm your.
No, it's already confirmed.
Please, I'll be back. How many hours is going to be?
Just 2 hours. Be back in the next 2 hours time. We are done.
Please, so let it be that 2 hours. So
no problem.
I don't want you guys to waste my time.
I have
it's all right.
Engineer.
It's all right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Engineer.
God have mercy upon us.
Use fuel. Wash everything. Let's put this thing back. Go and bring fuel. Go. Oh, this is your boy. Just wash this thing. Wash it very well so that it will look neat like a new one. Wash it. Let's go.
I'll deal with them.
Wash
I
it
lie.
with fuel. Sharp.
They play with me. I'm going to deal with them.
Wash this thing. Engineer.
Man, we need to hurry up, man.
Hey, see, welcome, sir.
Yes.
I
How
have
are
to
you?
go motor name, sir.
Okay.
Change everything. Change it.
All right. Where is my key?
Okay, sir. Your key.
It's all right. Where is your guy?
Ha! Yes, sir. The man don't come.
Yes, sir.
Oga, welcome. We service your car. I
don't need your hand, please.
I even put extra 20,000. I can.
Something to worry you. Please, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Where is the pass that you lose from my car?
The pass. Where is the pass? Go and get the pass. Now we change everything. Everything here is new one.
Where is the one that you lose from the car? I'll bundle you.
No, only had to go on me.
Huh?
Only had to go on me. Can you go in the camera?
God have mercy upon us.
Where the pass stay? It is an
Don't do him. Let's go. Very
God
stupid
have
man.
mercy upon us.
This is how you do people here, right?
Na pastor Ebi o. I no be mechanic o. Na pastor Ebi o.
When we reach Barak, then you explain. When we reach Barak,
God will punish you inside life and meet you inside life. Go break your head inside life. Mechanic o.
my friend.
People na like this I tell you.